Cryptocurrency futures is a type of financial derivatives trading that allows traders to speculate on or hedge against price movements of digital assets without directly holding the underlying cryptocurrency. This feature is available on Hotcoin. First, open the Hotcoin app and tap More on the home screen, then select Futures to enter the contract trading interface. Before you begin, make sure your futures account has sufficient funds. You can transfer assets from your spot account to your futures account using the transfer function. Futures trading refers to an agreement between two parties that legally binds them to buy or sell a specific amount of cryptocurrency at a predetermined price at a future date. These contracts are settled based on the price movement of the underlying asset, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and are leveraged financial instruments. If the price of the cryptocurrency rises, long positions profit. If the price falls, short positions profit. In the futures trading interface, you can select different contract types from the upper left corner, including Perpetual Futures, Delivery Futures, and Copy Trading. Perpetual Futures have no expiration date and never settle. You may hold a position indefinitely without forced expiration. Delivery Futures have a fixed expiration date and must be settled when the contract expires, at which point positions will be forcibly closed. Next, tap the trading pair and choose the cryptocurrency and contract type you want to trade. Hotcoin supports USDT margined, USDC margined, and coin margin futures. Then choose between cross-margin or isolated margin mode. Cross-margin allows your entire available account balance to serve as margin, sharing profits and losses across positions. Isolated margin confines the margin to each individual position. Losses are limited, reducing risk, but it may prevent a position from recovering if the market reverses. After that, adjust your leverage, which determines how much your gains or losses are amplified. Next, select your order type such as market order, limit order, and trigger order, as each type operates differently and can be reviewed in detail within the platform. Finally, enter the price and quantity you wish to buy or sell. Then tap Open Long or Open Short to submit your order. Once submitted, you can view your order status in the position section. During trading, you should closely monitor market conditions and your open positions. You may click Close your active orders instantly. With these steps, you now have a fundamental understanding of futures trading on Hotcoin. Start exploring it today, and we wish you successful trading.